Hi, Ronnie.
Hello, Usha.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine.
That's nice.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Oh, really? What is her name?
Her name is Lily.
How old is Lily?
She is 2 years old.
Is she friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
What color is she?
She is white and brown.
What does she eat?
She eats fish and cat food.
Does she sleep a lot?
Yes, she sleeps all day.
Does she play?
Yes, she plays with a ball.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I love her.
I also want a pet.
What pet do you want?
I want a dog.
Dogs are nice.
Yes, they are smart. And loyal too.
I like small dogs.
Me too.
Do dogs need a lot of care?
Yes, they do.
What do they eat?
Dog food and meat.
Do you ever want a dog?
Yes, maybe one day.
My cousin has a dog.
What is the dog's name?
His name is Rocky. Nice name.
Rocky is big.
Is he kind?
Yes, very kind.
That's good.
He likes to run.
Dogs love to run.
I saw him chase a ball.
That's cute.
Do cats like balls?
Yes, small ones.
Does Lily go outside?
No, she stays inside.
I see. Is she scared?
A little bit.
Where does she sleep?
On my bed.
That is sweet.
Yes, she is like a baby.